There's a horse loose up here. I kind of hope he gets away, but at the same time, I don't want him to get hurt. Run, buddy. Go for it. Is he yours? I really don't know what to do. You're so beautiful. And take my bike off-road. Wish I had my dual sport. Oh, I can't get to him. It's so pretty. So pretty. Horse just wants to be free, man.
This is the dopamine cotta. Fresh dopamine.
What's up, YouTube? It's kind of hard for me to make videos like this with the last couple videos I put out where I put my opinion out there. I lost a bunch of subscribers, so at this point I'm just like, fuck it, I'm gonna do what I want. I'm not gonna cater to people anymore, and if they like me for me, then they'll stick around. If not, then fuck them. So I apologize about this video. It's mostly gonna be music, so if you wanna just turn it off, then turn it off, man. Just short video. I promise not to do too many of these though, but every once in a while I get a stick up my ass and wanna do something I wanna do. So, alright, look at this fool. Jesus H. And there you go, retard. The song is called Free Me. The band is Goldfinger.
I didn't ask you to take me from here. I didn't ask to be broken. Didn't ask you to stroke my hair or treat me like a worthless token. But my skin is thick and my mind is strong. I am built like my father was. I've done nothing wrong. So free me. I just wanna feel what life should be. I just want enough space to turn around and face the truth. So free me. When are you gonna realize you're just wrong? You can't even think for yourself. Can't even make up your minds. So my mind's a jail, and I hate the whole goddamn human race. What the hell do you want from me? Kill me if you just don't know, or free me. I just wanna feel what life should be. Just want enough space to turn around, 'cause you're all fucked. And someday maybe you'll treat me like you.
We imprison you, use you, abuse you, murder you. Then we throw you away. You're just a number. Your life has already been determined. The day of your death as well. And what we will do with your newborn if you're so lucky to live past a newborn yourself. You're so trusting of us. Yet we will kill and consume you. We will suck the very life out of you that was given to you by another. What makes you guys different than puppies? 'Cause that's all I'm seeing. Puppies, newborns, babies. We throw you in a little hut, in a little tiny cage out in the middle of the fucking desert. What makes you so different that our country treats you different? The planet, humankind, treats you different. Why don't we invite you into our homes like we do puppies, make you part of our families? I'm sorry. Someday, maybe humans will treat you as they do themselves. Maybe humans will become more moral than we currently are. Sorry, guys.
Another horde of fools surges against the gates. Their empty slogan for me will never stop. Awaken their voices on the verge of insanity. The actions of emotional children are all that I see. With all our friends, so we're back to all of this again. As I walk in the doors of the Lamb, their empty slogan for me will never stop. All their protests and their efforts to do anything at all. They're driven alive by the press, while I'm protected by the law. Accosted with all our friends. When your research on animals, your activism is a fan. When your research on animals, you'll be up to the next trend. When your research on animals their voices fade away. After us to be here.